Hi everybody, in this video I want to share with you how do we use our calculator to check the answer for binomial distribution questions and also the common mistake that we might be making when we are using our calculator to calculate this type of question. Now let's say I have a random variable x which is distributed binomially with the parameter of n equal to 5 and p equals 0.2. I want you to complete this table. So it's very important that you need to know the meaning of these two numbers. This is n, number of try, and this is p, probability of success. If you understand this one, p plus q is always equal to 1, then with the given value of p, then you will be able to get the value of q, right? Okay, let me write down all the important information first. N is equal to 5 and p is equal to 0.2. Can I get q? Yes, because I know that p plus q is always equal to 1. P is a probability of success, q is a probability of failure. So since p plus q is always equal to 1 and p is 0.2, q will be 1 minus 0.2, which is 0.8. Now, okay, so now can we complete this table? Yes, you need to remember the formula. Px equal to r is equal to ncr times p raised to the power r times q raised to the power of n minus r. It is very important that you need to check when you write this one. Always make sure that the sum of these two numbers must be equal to the value of n. Okay, now but you need to be more careful when you calculate using your calculator. Let's say for example I want to find the probability when x is equal to 0. So px is equal to 0. According to the formula, we know that which is 5, number of try, right? Number of try. NCR, in this situation r will be 0. Then I put in parentheses p is 0.2 raised to the power of 0. If this is 0, here will be 0. If this is 1, this is 1. Okay, and this is 0.8. Always make sure that the two numbers here add up together must be always equal to the total number of try. This is 0 and here will be 5. Now if I just key in what I see here exactly into our calculator, so what will we get? 5 C 0, and I put a parenthesis over here as what I see here, 0.2 raised to the power of 0, and another parenthesis 0.8 raised to the power of 5. Okay, and you press equal, you will get 1, right? But this is actually not a correct answer. Your calculator knows that you want to calculate this one. It thought that you want to calculate this 5C0 times 0.2 raised to the power of 0, 0.8 raised to the power of 5. Your calculator thought that you want to calculate this one. This is actually equal to 1. Why? 5c. Okay, try to think 0 times all this. Definitely you will get 0, right? So 5c0 is actually equal to 1. That's why your calculator gives you 1. But this is not a correct answer. So be careful of this one. Remember to put a multiplication sign over here. Then you will be able to get the correct answer. The correct answer should be 1024 over 3125. If you want to write your answer in decimal, just press this button, you will get 0.32768. 0.32768. Okay, 0.32768. Okay, another way to get our answer faster is using this distribution. You go to your calculator, press menu, and then you can use a binomial distribution method, binomial distribution function to help you to get your answer faster. Now search for distribution. Okay, enter the mode binomial. Now you have two. Here is binomial probability distribution and another one is binomial cumulative distribution. Let me show you this one first. Press 4. Okay, you will see list and variable. So if I choose variable, right, x equal to, in this situation will be equal to 0, then 0, press equal. Number of try 5, press equal, and probability of success in this situation will be 0.2, then press equal and equal again. This is our answer, 0.32768. Okay, so if you want to calculate this one, you press 1, and the rest you don't have to change it, the number, all the values still there, press equal. Okay, 0.4096, 0.4096. Okay, you can try to pause your video and try to use this function and complete the rest of this table. Okay, you should be able to get all this value right now. So let's say, let me show you this one. If you, another way, you can use the list. This one we calculate one by one, right? We key in x equals to 1, x equals to 0, x equals to 2, right? Another faster way is using this one. Binomial probability distribution, number 4, and I can use list method. So when you press list, so you can key in the value of x that you need. In this situation will be r. So I want x equals to 0, x equals to 1, x equals to 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So what I need to do here, I just key in 0, press equal, 1 equal, 2 equal, 3 equal, 4 equal, and 5 equal. And press equal again. Your calculator will ask you what's the number of try. Here will be 5. What's the probability of success? 0.2. After keying the value, remember to press the equal sign. Okay, the probability of success is 0.2. Then you press equal again. Then you will get all the value here. When x is equal to 0, this answer. When x is equal to 1, this will be the answer. Okay, let me check the answer, correct or not. So same thing, if you want to change to decimal, you just, if you want to change it to fraction, you just press this one. Okay, so we can use this method to help you check our answer really fast. So another thing is, you will see another function which is binomial cumulative distribution. Binomial cumulative distribution. Okay, what is this used for? Let me show you here. If I want you to find the value px less than or equal to 2, for example. So how do we calculate? We take the sum of these 3, right? Means that px equal to 0 plus px equal to 1 plus px equal to 2, right? Okay, now let's calculate. Take this one, 0.32768 plus 0.4096 plus the last one, which is 0.2048. Okay, try to press your calculator. You should be able to get 0.94208, right? Another way to get the answer faster is, let me show you from the beginning. Go for distribution, then search for. Just now we use this binomial probability distribution. Now we use this one, binomial cumulative distribution. Okay, let me show you the variable first. What I need to key in here, I key in 2. When I key in 2, your calculator will automatically find the sum 0, x equal to 0, probability for x equal to 0, x equal to 1, and x equal to 2. Let me show here. So this is 5, right? And this is 0.2. Now you get the answer. Okay? So let's say I key in, let's say I change to 3. So it means that the calculator will help you to get the sum of px equal to 0 plus px equal to 1 plus px equal to 2 and plus px equal to 3. Okay? So let's say if you use another one, which is list. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Let me check. 0, 1, 2. Oh, sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let me start from the beginning so that you won't get confused. Press menu, press equal. Okay, then go for binomial cumulative distribution list 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, press equal again. Number of try 5, right? Number of try 5. And the probability of success is 0.2. Okay, now what is this value? 0. It means that px equals 0. How about this? This is px equal to 0 plus px equal to 1. This is cumulative distribution. The calculator will accumulate to find the sum for the probability px equal to 0 and px equal to 1. You can take these two, add up together, you should be able to get this one. How about this? Okay, this is px equal to, okay, sorry, this one is px equal to 0, and this one is px equal to 0 plus px equal to 1. You see 1 here, don't get confused with these two. We have to focus on here. Okay, now this is 2. It means that we are getting the sum of px equal to 0, px equal to 1, and px equal to 2, which is this one. So how about this one? This is the sum of px equal to 0, px equal to 1, px equal to 2, and px equal to 3, and so on. That's why for the last value you will get 1, because the sum of all this, definitely you will get 1, right? Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.